unfortunately, our guys like it, the rough side of the mountain. And but what I'm satisfied with is we persevered through, and we're able to get a win against a very well-coached team. I got tremendous respect for Coach Alexander and his program. And anytime you have a game against a legend like that, you want to perform well, especially when he comes back to Orangeburg. He's still the king here, and I'm just trying to copy what he's done.
Tell me about the last secondary down by I think
Yeah, that was a big shot. Greg Mortimer is a freshman for our program from Savannah, Georgia, and he hasn't played a lot this year, but you've seen a lot of guys in street clothes. And he stepped up when he got his opportunity and was able to make big plays throughout the game. Not only that, but it's something that he's been doing in practice all year long. And when he got his chance, he stepped up and made the shot.
Now this season, this has to be a big win for you because I know your team is trying to build a pack.
Right.
So tell me what this was.
Anytime you get a conference win, it's a big win. I don't care if we're playing the YMCA Bullfrogs, we want to win in conference play. And this keeps us in position to be in probably 7th or 8th. And we got a big game this Saturday against Savannah State. So it doesn't stop.
My last question, after team winning, what did you do team going into overtime? Knowing that you had an opportunity to win in regulation and it slipped away, did you give this motivating factor?
I told them we're undefeated this season in overtime. So it's our time right now. There's nothing you can do about the last play of the game. All you can do is move forward. And I told them it's winning time. We're undefeated. I think that might make 4-0 or 3-0 in overtime this year. So they felt comfortable in the moment.